Okay, welcome back to this to the second video of teaching how to run the SaaS pipeline. So when the pipeline finishes, you'll see something like this. So these are the number of procedure parameter files that there are some errors inside these procedures. For example, eSlim06. This is the error file. And there are some errors in it. So these are not really concerning. The only concerning part are this section, which are the IMPC part. Here, I know that IMPC 001001 is body weight. This is time series, so we don't analyze it anyways. So for example, eSlim 006, I guess it is the image procedure, which we don't analyze the images as well. So there are some kind of things that are here which are not really concerning me. The only section is this section. We normally have some body weight 001 errors, and we have normally calorimetry. There are a few more ones, which again, this is not concerning because let's give you an example. Just before I forget, all the errors are stored in a directory called logs in the SP directory under SaaS pipeline version of the data release. So let's run this one again and see what are the errors. So if I search here for error, you see there is one here which is associated with server. It seems that the LSF has kind of struggled finding a machine, or a machine died in the middle of the process. So that's the reason that sometimes we see some errors. And the good thing about the SaaS pipeline is that in any error you see, it's just associated with one single data set. So it is really not concerning because we have one single data set out of millions. So it's not really necessary. Anyways, so if you see more than a few here, what you should do, it is easy. The SaaS pipeline has a procedure for it. So you just need to go to this directory, which is the SaaS pipeline version, SP for a SaaS pipeline directory, jobs. And if you see here, you see there are kind of some files here. I don't want to count because it could be different, but there is a file called function.r. You just need to nano that. And there is something here which is called only field non-existent results. So you just need to make this one true. Don't forget that it is capital letters true. So you save this, yes, and exit it. So what you need to run now is to run all jobs again. That means it goes through all the jobs, but it doesn't really execute the jobs. If there is no results in the directory, a specific directory for each job, it just run it. Otherwise, it doesn't run it. So you can run it like this, but I don't recommend it. I just run bsub. So I use the power of cluster to run this because this file, all jobs, has 210,000 jobs. So I don't really recommend it to run it. So, okay, when you run this one, it finishes in 2 days and you're good to go. You don't need to check really the logs. Okay, see you in 2 days or earlier.